Hey guys, Frank here with a very quick message to you guys. It's that time of the year again. No, it's not Christmas, sorry. But it's almost as good. It's time for the 5-day deal. So what is the 5-day deal? Every year there's a big bundle that's unique. This means that the bundle is unique, but also the material inside the bundle is unique. This year we have over $2,700 in value for, are you listening? It's almost Christmas. 89 bucks. You get a lot of information. You get stuff from SmugMug, Kelby One, Flickr, B&H. You get a lot of tutorials, ebooks, presets. You know what? Just go online, check the link below and get your 5-day deal. You only have 5 days. It almost feels like Christmas. It's so jam-packed. It's awesome. I'm totally psyched. So let's turn off that camera and let you guys order the 5-day deal.